Yeah, I'm watching your stream,
Okay.
but it's quite slow. I should order that book. Graphics stand.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, game.
So I haven't practiced.
Okay, I don't see your screen. Can you reshare it again? It's just low. I just see a loading screen.
I'll reconnect. Hold on. There.
Okay, there you go. I see it. All right. So given that one, right? So how are you gonna start?
Check the measurements.
Okay.
Make sure that it's in centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Do the spline here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Modify and then bezier corner.
All right. Sige. So do the legs first. Do the legs first then.
Sir, okay na to ba? Kasi ito yung parang Barcelona start file. So,
Mm.
I think this ano na.
Yeah.
Tama ba yung
If you've done the checks, then if you think it's good, then it's good.
Okay. So, how do I do the checks again sa
So
parang box shape?
yeah. Okay, yeah. Do a
Like,
box. And then just do a box, align it there. Yes, correct. And if it's close to 79 or 70, okay, that's 77, 74, or 77. That's close enough. That's good. It's 2 cm short, but it's okay.
I think it's mm, sir.
Yeah, mm. Still,
Kaya I have to check if cm.
yeah. Change it to cm if you want. So you know,
cm is
go. You have to go where? Where do you go where? There. Okay. And
units, sir.
yeah, okay. There you go.
There. 77.
Yeah, that's close enough. That's good.
Ano to?
Yeah.
Okay. So, going to the spline,
Mm-hmm.
start sa line.
Okay.
Like that. And then, yung question ko, sir, di ba, when I right click, it's hindi na hindi ko na ginagalaw yung line. Pero how
Mm.
will I edit the line? Kapag gusto ko siya gawin yung viewport, etc.
Oh, so Where do you go if you want to modify things?
Modify.
Mm. And you want to modify what? So where after you're in the modify tab, what you're gonna do?
Click the line.
And
Viewport. Tama ba?
Under rendering.
Saan ko makikita yung viewport?
So that's a rendering rollout. Open the rendering rollout. Click up, up more, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Enable in viewport.
Yan. And then, yung thickness.
Yeah.
Mache-check siya.
There you go. The thickness is there. Look at this. There, radial thickness.
Okay, so I'll add bezier corner. Vertex. Select vertex. Tama ba?
Sige.
Select vertex and then bezier corner.
There's a corner. You selected the corner, not a busy corner.
Here. And then I move it. Parang wala nakikita. Parang wala nakikita arrow.
Are you in the move command? You're still in the select command. Oh, Joey, kailangan mo mag-practice. Yan ang worry ko if we go by December, if hindi ka magpa-practice everyday, ganyan ang mangyayari. You're gonna forget stuff.
I know.
Right? Okay.
Pero yung smoothness. This one. Bezier corner. Sir, yung smoothness sa
Interpolation.
Yeah. Saan siya makikita?
You have to scroll down. Joey, you can drag your command panel like this. Oh, look at my screen. You can drag it like that so you can see all. Grab the edge. So you have your command panel is like this, one panel. So if you drag it like this along the side, you can expand all so that you can see all the commands. Works better if you have if you maximize your viewport. Yan. Siyempre liliit yung so pwede mo pang i-drag para just maximize your right viewport. Alt W. Yan. And then you can drag the command panel wider so that you see. You grab the edge. Yan. Sige lang, drag mo lang. Yan. Oh. Para mas marami kang kita. Yan. And then, what you can also do, since you are working on two screens, look at my screen. Look at my screen. So, grab the plus sign. Go to the plus sign in the viewport. Okay? Then you'll find there float viewport 1 or float viewport 2. Just float viewport 1. So what will happen? A viewport will be separated like this and you can place it in your other screen. So click the plus sign, yep. Float viewport. Then you can place that in your other screen. So you have two viewports visible.
Ano yung screen? Parang hindi nagpakita.
Look at your other viewport. You look at your other screen. Baka nasa other screen mo.
Maybe here. Yan, dito nga.
Yan. Oh, you can put that in your other screen. You can change the views to that one just like other viewports. You can change the top view, side view, just the same. The good thing it's floating, so you can place it anywhere.
Okay.
Right? Okay? Good?
Okay. Yeah. And then for the interpolation,
Should be there.
I should go to the line and then yan. Like that, sir.
Mm-hmm. Not too much. Around 12 is good.
Yeah, it's 12.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Okay, and then do the other line.
Okay na po, sir. Parang hindi pa siya masyadong ano. Modify.
Okay. Okay. Go to your open your layers. Go open your layers manager, Joey. So make sure you are in the default layer. The default layer is active so that all the objects you create will be created in the default layer, not in the reference, because the reference should be frozen. Open your layers tab.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I
So
also
so
know
so
this.
so go make sure that the default layer is the one highlighted in blue. The layer icon. This one. The layer icon. This stack paper. Yan. Okay. So now your line should be in. You have to move that line from the reference to the default layer. Make sure exit the sub-object level first. Exit the sub-object level because you're still in the sub-object mode.
How do I exit?
You're still in the vertex mode. So, yan.
There goes a line.
Yeah, then
And
select the line,
selected.
okay? Then place that in the click this button here. Add to active layer. This one. On your layers tab. Layers. Layers tab here. Layers tab.
The layers tab, sir.
The layer manager. The layer window. You closed it. Click that one. Then click the the icon with a stacked paper with an arrow pointing down. Yan. Add to active layer. That one. Okay.
Okay.
Right, so model the legs.
So should I freeze the reference?
Yeah, you should. Just click the 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 this one. Yeah, that's frozen.
Exactly.
Yeah. So create a line. Okay, create a line.
This is a line, no? It's created now, sir, no?
Yeah, but it's still in the frozen layer. Unfreeze your
How do I
unfreeze it. Select the line. Delete it. Just
ulit?
delete it. Yeah, ulitin mo na lang.
Sige.
And then make sure you're in the default layer. No, no, no. Click yan. And then create a new line.
Okay. So yung reference, sir, pati yung viewport 1 frozen na rin.
Yes.
Okay.
So create the line first. Okay. Thanks. Wala kang gagawin ngayon?
Sir,
Yeah.
yung sa taas na line, yung sa vertex,
Hmm.
busy corner siya, pero
Walang
hindi
handle na
siya,
lumalabas.
yung sa, yung sa babang handle lang yung
Oh.
gumagalaw.
So, what you're going to do, there's the handle, oh. Look,
Ito,
look.
sir.
So, what you can do, select that vertex. The top vertex again. Select it. Select the top
It's the
vertex.
handle,
Yeah.
pero yung sa baba rin gumagalaw.
Oh, kasi ano siya eh. Corner siya. Wala naman siyang kakurugtong na line sa kabilang side. So, isang side lang talaga yan.
Mm.
Isang side lang talaga yan.
How do I...
So, you move the handle below. The one below, yeah, that one. Oh, so you have to change, you make sure you're in the correct axis, remember?
Am I in the correct axis?
So you're in the correct axis if you can move it like this. You can move it up and down like that. If it's moving along one axis only, then you're constrained to one axis.
Yeah, that's true. I don't think I am.
So you have to
So, dito, sir,
axis constraints. It's turned on already. So it's just
that's...
hidden. It's just hidden. Click that arrow at the edge. At the edge of your yan. There. Nope. Should be somewhere on your viewport. Nandyan lang yan. You can grab you can grab the toolbar and then wait for the hand to appear. Just like this, oh. Look. For example, nakuberan siya. So just uh, 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 it's not appearing on my end. you can turn off the axis constraints. Then turn it on again. Ayun, ayun nasa dulo. Yung may X sa dulo. Yan. So, grab that toolbar sa may textured edge. Grab it like this. Look. Yan o. Grab that edge. Then drag it downwards here para kita. With yung textured edge, yung may parang dot. Not that one. Yan. Click and drag. Yan. There. Ayan. So, it should be in the XY. Yan. Or just press F8.
Sir, parang anipis ng line, no?
Yeah, kasi you still have to make it thicker later. You have to just trace first. You just have to trace it. Look, just like here. Just trace it first. Just like this.
Okay. Line. Could I move the thing first?
Later. Move later na. And create another line for the other part. Yep. Okay. Go to wireframe kung di mo makita yung handle. Okay, oh yeah. So you're constrained again to the y-axis. So press F8. Or that one. Same. Press F. Yan. Basta you can move it along the X and the Y, you're good.
So, hindi siya automatic, sir?
Sometimes, hindi. So you have to make sure. Always. Because it depends on the viewport where you are. Or the last viewport you were in.
Almost done. There.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, next. So once, and then you have to attach the other line. Attach the other line. So you're in the modify tab, right? And you're in the sub-object level. Yeah, so you're still in the line. So just scroll down. You can scroll down here and click attach. You should find there under geometry rollout, attach. So click attach to attach the other line. You can close your layers tab. So it's not, so you have more space. You don't need it naman eh. Yan. So look for there on the right side, attach. Attach. There. Then click the other line to attach.
And then that's it.
Yeah. Alright?
And then move it here.
Yes. So exit first exit first your vertex mode, go to the object level. So exit the vertex mode, and then you can now drag the edge.
Like that.
Yep.
Ganyan, sir.
Yes.
Okay na.
You can turn off your grid so that it's not obstructing your view. Press G. Press G to turn off the grid. Yan. Okay? So next, you need to add thickness to the spline. So you need to go to the sub-object level. You can turn off the viewport render. Okay? You don't need that anymore. Okay? Just like this. Right? Turn off the viewport render because what you need to see the splines. So select the two splines under the spline sub-object level. Here. Spline sub-object level.
It's blinking.
It's blinking?
Yeah. I think okay na, hindi na siya nagbe-blink.
Okay, that's good. So under the spline sub-object level, select the two splines. Make sure you're in the spline sub-object level. Spline sub-object level. You're in the vertex, that's one, segment, and then spline. Sub-object level. Sub-object. Modify tab. Sub-object level. Yan. So you have three sub-object levels, diba? The 1, 2, and 3. First is the vertex, second is the segment, and then the third is the spline. This one, Joey, oh.
This one ba? What will I do?
You should be in the spline sub-object level. Spline. Yes. So select the spline. So again, look here, Joey. Okay, you have a spline. Okay? When you're in the object level, meaning you select the object. Okay? When you're in the object level, meaning you select the object. Right? For example, no object selected. I select this spline. The highlight is here. That means we are in the object level. When we go to the sub-object level, keynote sub-object level, that means you're going to select the different components of that object. You have the vertex, the segment, and the spline. Remember? Right? So if you go to the vertex, we select the vertex, sub-object level. If you go to the segment sub-object level, we select the segment. Okay? In spline, we select the whole spline. Right? It's similar to our edit poly. Remember? Edit poly. For editable poly.
Edit poly, iba, di ba? Apat yun.
Oo. Kasi it has more components. Because it's a more complex object. So you have in the edit poly or editable poly, right? This is the object level. That means you're selecting the object itself, object level. When we go to the sub-object level, again, keyword sub-object level, you go to the vertex, you select vertices. You go to the edge, you select edges. Border, if there's an opening, polygon, element. So it's the same thing. It's just a matter of which part are you selecting of that object. So whenever we say sub-object level, we are selecting the different components of that object. Clear? Remember? Oh, yon. Very important yan. Okay? So, select the sub-object level. You should be in the spline. So, watch here first, Joey. Okay? You should be in the spline sub-object level. So, select the two splines. We're going to add thickness to that one using the command outline. Right? So, we're going to make an outline of this one. So, click center. Okay? Make sure that's center. Then outline. And then just click outline. And then click and drag on your viewport just like this. And watch it have thickness. So make sure you just match the thickness of your reference, just like this, right? So you have now thickness. Ang nangyari, nagkaroon siya ng in AutoCAD, that's what you call an offset. Okay? Here, it's called an outline. It's the same thing. Okay? After that, you're going to trim. Okay? Similar to AutoCAD. Trim, you're going to trim the intersecting lines. Yan. Right? Okay? So, after you make an offset, you trim.
Sir, nakita yung outline ulit.
Ha?
Saan yung outline ulit?
It's in the sub-object level spline.
Sub-object levels. Nasa spline na ako.
Oh, then you have to scroll down under Edit Geometry. There, outline. Oh, sumobra ka. Scroll down. Yan, outline. Outline. There. Okay, so select the splines first. The two splines. Turn off your viewport rendering, Joey. So you see the splines clearly. Turn off your viewport rendering of the spline. Yeah. Okay?
And then the reference.
Yeah. Okay lang yan. Did you attach the other line na? Asan na isang line? Ba't wala?
It was attached.
O select both splines. In the sub-object level.
Hindi pa siya attached, sir.
Oh, i-attach mo muna. Is it attached?
Nandito ako sa attach. Tapos nasa spline
Okay.
ako.
Press F3. F3. Function F3 para wireframe so I can see. Function F3 on your laptop. Yan, wireframe. Okay, you are in the... Okay, so select, right click to and then attach it's attached already. It's attached. Yeah, it is attached already. So right click. Right click, yan. Then select the two splines. Select the two splines. Select the two splines. Yeah. In the sub-object level. So you have to go to the sub-object level. Spline. Yan. Select the other spline. Select both. Select both. Yan.
And then attach.
Attach. It's attached already. Attached na yan.
Okay.
Then do an offset. Do an offset.
Offset or, di ba sa ano naman?
Do an offset. An outline. Sorry. Outline. Sorry. Do an outline. So go to outline. Make sure it's center. Make sure it's center. Make sure it's center. Click center. Click center. Yan. Then function F3 show your reference.
Ano, sir?
Function F3 show your reference. Okay. Then click and drag sa viewport. Click, hold, drag. Click, hold, and drag. Click, hold, and drag.
Drag saan, sir?
Yan. Get it? Okay? Match your reference. Then after that one, do a trim. So trim the in-between lines, just like this one. So look for the command trim in your command panel. It should be below outline. Trim and click the in-between lines, just like what you see in my screen. Yep. 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 There. So that's trimmed.
And then move the vertex.
No, you have to weld them first because they're unwelded. Look, if I click one line, if I go to the vertex sub-object level, right? Kasi tinrim ko nga sila, they're still separated. Yan o, magkahiwalay sila. So you have to weld those vertices. So select all those vertices, do a window select, just like this, and then hit weld. Okay? Then hit weld. That should weld them. Okay? You should be in the vertex sublevel. You should be in the vertex sublevel. Press 1, keyboard shortcut, 1, vertex, 2, edge or segment, 3, spline.
F1, sir, no?
No, 1. 1, 2, 3. So press 1, you're in the vertex mode. Press 2, you're in the segment mode. Again, press 1. Press 1.
There's nothing happened.
Kasi select the spline first. Select the spline. 1. Press 1. Press 1. Press 1. Press 1. Yan. Press 2. Press 2. Wait. Before you do that, let's review. Press 2, you're in the spline or segment, right? Press 3. Press 3. You're in the spline. Okay? So remember those shortcuts, ha? If you want to go to the sub-object level, each subject level corresponds to the number. Okay? In the hierarchy. 1 is always the segment, and so on and so forth. Same thing with edit poly. Kung edit poly, there's 5 components, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Splines have 3 components, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So go to the vertex sublevel. Okay, correct. Select those vertices. Select all of them. Yes, good. Then weld.
Weld is where?
Yes, weld. Weld. Scroll down. Lower. Sige pa. Yon, weld. Yan. Kita mo na wala yung mga handle. That means they've been welded. Right?
So it's connected already?
Connected na yan. One way to check is to click one vertex and then move it. Click one vertex and move it. Kasi kung merong maiiwan, tulad dyan, wala nang iiwan. So, ibig welded na yan. Right? Oh, undo.
Yeah.
Undo. Okay, now, select those vertices again. Just like this. Select those vertices again. Okay. Then, right-click it. Make it a corner. Just to be sure. Because it's a corner naman. So, make it a corner. Oh, undo. Sorry. No need. Undo. Okay. Okay. Right. Select those vertices and then you're going to do a fillet. A fillet. Okay. Fillet. Click the fillet. And then, okay. Same thing. Click and drag. Click and drag. Just match your reference. Select all the vertices first. Click and drag. Yan. Then match your reference. Okay, that's good. And then you're done. Okay? Release.
Okay na to, sir.
It's up to you. Look at your reference. You will decide if it's good or not. Look at your reference. Are you happy with that one?
It's not parang
Then you can select each vertex and align it the usual way, manually.
yeah.
If you're that particular, okay lang naman 'yon. Right? You can select each vertex and then just align it manually, just the way we do it. With yan, remember? You can always do that. So it's up to you. Right? Yan. Just to make sure that everything is aligned, which is a good practice. So that's good. Yan. Okay. Then, all you need to do now is add an extrude modifier. Then add an extrude modifier and extrude it. Yan. Add an amount. Add an amount. Right? Okay. Should be around 4 cm. Then align it to your reference. Yan. Good. Okay. So now we have aligned that to your leg. So let's do the other leg. Okay. So if you look, you can duplicate it. That's one way. But we're going to use the symmetry later, right? So what we need to add segments here so that we can extrude polygons, just like what we did with the wood me chair, remember? So we're going to add an edit poly modifier, right? Go select this. Select this vertices, right? Those 4, and then hit connect. Remember? So that will add a segment there so that I can select this polygon, right? So I can extrude it later. So you need to look at the reference of the Barcelona chair so to find where do you need to extrude. Okay, if I remember correctly, it's somewhere here. This one here. Okay, I'm gonna connect this. Connect. Connect. So that I have a segment here and also here. Well, I don't need it there. Here pala, sorry. Here. Okay, hit connect. Because we want this segment here so that it divides this polygon. So I can select this polygon and extrude it. Remember? So similar with what we did with the wood me chair. We'll select this one, and this one. Extrude it to the middle. Right?
Okay, and then we'll do the symmetry.
Add the symmetry, yes.
Okay.
And then adjust the mirror line to align to the other side. Okay? I'm sure.
Change frame or font na lang ganyan.
Yeah. Or you just go to the perspective view. Press F4 to show your edges. Function F4.
Parang, di ba sir, hindi gumagana yung function F4? Meron shift F4, alt F4 ba yung akin?
It's either shift F4 or function F4. Function F4.
Hindi sir, di ba?
Press F4. We were able to make it work, remember, di ba? I think it was function F4. Or function shift F4. Yun.
Function F4.
Function F4?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, function F4. Ayaw. And then, modifier.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Edit poly. Add an edit poly modifier.
Edit poly and then edges, right?
Yes?
Dito po ba?
Yeah. Diyan ba? Diyan ba yun? Then you can just adjust it to make it a little bit wider. Oh, okay, just, okay. Vertex mode. Better you're in the vertex mode, Joey. Vertex mode. Use the keyboard shortcut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Joey. So it's faster. Get used to that one. Okay, if you want to go to the vertex, press 1. Go to the edge, press 2. Okay, start using that one. Make sure the back part is also selected, huh? Make sure the back part is also selected. Rotate your view. Other side. Or you can just do a wireframe. Okay, good. Yan.
Then when I push it down, do I have to click shift?
No need. Because you're just moving it.
No need. Ganyan, sir.
Yeah.
Okay na to, no?
Yeah. Best is you always look at your reference. Remember? So, dapat meron ka nang na-download na references yan.
One, two, three. Okay. I think that's fine. And then
Check it.
edges. Sir?
Yep.
Never. Wala, sir. Sorry.
No. Undo. Just go to the vertex. Undo. Go to vertex. Vertex mode, press 1. Okay, select the vertex. No. Just do it by row, or select 4 first. Or just the 2. No, just select the 2.
This one, sir.
Yan, oo. Yung magkatapat. Yes. Hindi yan. Like this. Look here. Okay, look here. So maganda naka-wireframe ka. Right? Kung naka-vertex mode ka, you want to select this group first and connect. So that this part, this side will have a corner, a segment, and also the other side. Actually, hindi naman kailangan tong side na to. Hindi yan actually kailangan. Pero it's good practice na select so that when you move it, when you move them, parehas. Yun.
Connect, sir.
Yes. Connect. Nandyan yan. Ako, kailangan mag-practice, Joey. Magpo-push up ka ngayon. Sige ka.
Okay lang, I deserve it. Sir, wala yung...
Meron yan. Are you in the vertex sub-level?
Vertex, yes.
No. That should be there.
Wala, sir, hindi ko makita. Connect, ayun. And then the next vertex naman, no? Connect din. Tama po ba? Dalawang, yung sa baba, i-connect.
Ano yan, Joey?
I-connect ko din po to.
Yes. Mercy? Yan, of course. So you need to have a polygon. Right? So polygons have 4 sides. Minimum. At least.
And then,
Connect.
eto naman,
Yan na. Polygon na yan. Okay.
wait. All I need to do is to get is yung etong side na to, ito, nakakalito pala.
Nawala ka lang na matagal, Joey. So you need to practice every day. The
Eto,
beast.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Ito na to.
Na-connect mo na yan. So doon ka na doon sa edge. Here. This part.
Dito.
Okay na yan eh. Okay na yan. You're done there. Move to the next part. Here. At the edge. Here.
Okay. Wait lang, hold on. So, kapag meron na akong polygon dito, i-extrude ko na. So, dito na ako sa... Dito. Dito na ako, sir. Tama.
Okay, see? Yan. Ayan. So connect the edge here. Please look here. Look at my screen. Oh, only the group.
Parang hindi ko siya ma-square, sir. Kasi...
Just select 2 at a time. Select 2 at a time.
Okay.
See?
Ayun.
Okay. There you go.
So, this one edge. And then... sorry, poly.
Yes. Then you can extrude. So select those 3 polygons that you prepared. Yeah, that one also. The other one on top.
Wala, nag-automatic siya.
Oh, di isa-isahin mo, pwede naman.
Sorry. Sir, kapag I click shift,
Shift and then move.
Lahat sir na ano. Paano sir kapag multiple selection? Shift yun, di ba sir? Pero bakit nasa-select kahit hindi ko kiniklik?
Ha?
Nasa-select yung iba kahit hindi ko sila kiniklik. This one.
Ibig sabihin hindi closed yung edge mo. Ibig sabihin may butas. So go to the top.
Top?
No, don't press shift, control. Sorry, control to add to your selection, not shift. That's why. Control.
Okay.
Then hold the shift key to drag, to extrude. Remember?
Yes. And then symmetry.
Yes.
Select all.
No, just the polygon at the one you extruded. The edge or the vertices at the middle line. Yan. You should be in the sub-object level. Press 1, press 1, press 1, press 1. Again. And undo. Exit. Select. Press 1. Yan. Di ba mas mabilis? Press 1. Yan. Select. Symmetry. Wala dyan. Modify tab. Modifiers. Add a modifier. Modifier. Yan. There you go. Okay? So definitely, Joey, you need to practice every day. So you need to practice every day. Okay? Kasi pag December, pagbalik natin December, ganyan, naku, babagal tayo. So I want you to send me weekly updates of the Barcelona chair. As in weekly. Kukulitin kita. Okay?
Sir, ba't hindi ko makita yung reference?
Kasi naka wireframe mode ka. Function F3.
So, attach na to, sir.
What do you mean attach? Attach na yan. That's one eh. Isang object na yan kasi naka-symmetry tayo eh. Okay?
And then how do I move this thing?
What do you mean move that thing? You don't need to move that thing. It's already aligned. Select your object. Yes, select the object. Go to the symmetry sub-object level, which is mirror. Press 1.
Symmetry sub-object.
Press 1. Yan. Then move the mirror line. Move the mirror line. Select the mirror. Yes. Then move the mirror line. Yan. Yes.
And then how about to, sir, yung taas? Ganun pa rin. Sir?
Yung
eto, hindi ko na kailang itaas.
Hindi na.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
It's just hard because it's hard because you forgot. Nawalan ka lang na practice, Joey. So you need to practice. Okay? So, hindi natin yan matatapos today. So, good thing I recorded you a video. Just rewatch the it's going to be the same thing. Watch the video. So, watch it. What I want you to do is watch it first, siguro a couple of times, then do it.
Sir, paano kapag mag-session tayo this weekend?
Weekend,
Para tapos na yung para
Barcelona chair. Up to you.
para
It's up to you.
tapos na yung Barcelona chair.
It's up to you. If you have time, I'm okay with.
Okay lang sir sa weekend sa Sunday.
Alright, sige.
Para session 10 natin yun. Tapos next
11 na.
next
Sa December.
11 and 12 plus yung 12
The rest.
sessions, which is 14 sessions na lang.
Yeah, okay. No problem. Pwede naman.
Gusto ko natapusin yung Barcelona chair.
Oh, but you need to practice, Joey. You need to practice.
I know.
Because you're forgetting a lot of stuff na.
I know.
Kasi na busy. So, that's understandable. But remember, like I've said before, 3ds Max or modeling or any other program, you have to use it every day so that you don't forget, you remember. Okay? That's why I ask you to practice every day before. So now, I must insist that you practice every day.
Sir, on this Barcelona stand.
Or frame.
Barcelona frame.
Yeah. November 3.
Sir, quick question.
Yeah.
No, regarding sa layers.
Hmm.
Can we go back sa reference?
Mm-hmm.
And
You have to unfreeze it if you want to make changes to the reference.
example, I'm gonna make the own reference for the Barcelona chair.
Mm-hmm.
Medyo naguguluhan ako kapag ako na mismo yung mag-a-align. Example, ito sa front view, ito lalagay ko sa right view. Yung ganon.
So, what you do, for example, this one is not perfectly aligned. Okay? So, okay, for example, so I've unfrozen the reference, right? I've frozen the reference.
Wait, sir. Sir, quick question. Can we do, let's make another reference just for my review's purpose.
Okay, sige.
I'll go to a new one. Kasi nasa akin naman yung pictures eh. Para i-upload lang natin. Okay lang, sir.
Yeah, sige. So what reference do you want? That one? Barcelona. Okay. Okay. So open natin 3ds Max. Barcelona reference. Pa-pa-pa-da-da. Okay. What you need
Gonna
to
make
do?
sure na yung unit setup is
Is
on
centimeters,
centimeters.
yes.
Okay, so this is gonna be the front view, and this is gonna be the right view.
Mm-hmm. So first thing you need to do, okay? So watch me first, huh? I'm gonna do it
Yeah.
first, then you watch me. Okay? Watch me first, then you do it. Okay? So first thing I need to do is, okay, look at my reference. Right? So this is my reference, right? Yeah. Okay. So just need to get the size, the proportions of this image. Mm. Just need to get the properties, the details of the image. So the measurement is 3227 by 1178. Okay. So I'm first gonna make a,
3227.
okay. You have to look at the file properties, Joey.
Okay.
Okay. So any it's it will that so look at the file properties. Right click, look at the file properties.
Three
Go to
two
details. Go to details.
two
There.
two seven one
The
seven.
dimensions is 3227 by 1178. So I'm going to make a plane on the top view. Always on the top view. Plane on the top view. The width is 3227 because that's the width. And the height will be 1178.
178.
Right? Importante yon para hindi distorted yung images. Okay? Make sure walang segments yung plane na ginawa mo. Right? Then once that's ready, all you need to do is drag and drop the reference. Just drag and drop it onto the plane in shaded view. Make sure in shaded view. Like that, in the wireframe, shaded view.
Yeah.
Okay? Ayan. Right? So, nandyan na siya. Then, all you have to do is convert that to editable poly. Convert to editable poly. Okay? And then, you can use the connect tool. Remember the connect tool? Okay? Or you can just press Alt 1. Alt 1. It's an edge loop. Fast edge loop. Okay? That's Alt 1. Okay? So, Alt 1 to add an edge loop in between like this. Okay? So, dinivide mo lang siya into three parts. 1, 2, 3. Yun yung purpose ng Alt 1. Instead of using connect, you can use Alt 1. That's a shortcut for an edge loop. Okay? Then I can select this segment now and detach it. This will be my side view or left side view, or let's just say side view. This will be my front view, detach, front view, and this will be my top view. Okay? Top view na yan. I don't need to detach it. Okay?
Sir, yeah, yun yung gusto kong matutunan eh. Yung parang yung layers,
Yeah, so
yung
I'll finish this.
mm,
I'll finish this. Since this is recorded, you can rewatch it later.
yeah.
So it's recorded naman. So you can watch this part later, right? So after you've detached those three references, now you have the side view, the front, and the top view. Select all of the three.
And then,
Effective, no, na-detach na natin eh. Select all of the three. Affect pivot, center to object, para naka-center yung mga pivot points. Yun lang naman gagawin natin doon. Naka-center siya. And that's it. Then all you have to do now is to rotate them. So this is the top view to, no? So top view, ito yung top view. So let's move this. Ito yung top view. This is the top view. So okay na tayo. This should be the front view. So I have to rotate this 90 degrees. Right? Kasi nasa front view to eh. Ito yung top. Ito yung front. Dito tayo nakatingin. Pag ganon. So, ito yung front. So, I have to rotate this 90 degrees. Make sure angle snap is turned on. Okay, gonna rotate this 90 degrees. Okay, and move it here. In the perspective view, all I have to do now is just align it like that. It's aligned, right, to the top view. So I can move it like this. And then I'll align the ground to the ground plane, right? Then I move it back, right? Next is the side view. Punta tayo sa top view ulit. Okay? So, we can view it. So, if I rotate it like this, okay? So, we are now in the left side view. Okay? We put it here. In the middle. Go to the perspective view. And then just align it.
Shortcut for angle snaps?
A. So, just need to align it. So, aligned na siya. Yeah? Just move it a little bit like that. Just need to align the leg here. Oh, aligned na siya. Okay? The same thing, just move it. Ayan. Okay? And then, okay? So, now, you have to select, then you can bring this a little bit down sa para di siya nakaharang. Okay? Pag gumawa ka ng object. Then, select everything. Select everything. Object properties. Backface skull. Okay? Ginagawa ng backface skull para yung likod hindi mo nakikita. Okay? So, that means, this view now should be on the left side view. Just move it here to the right side. Pag nasa left view ka, nakikita mo siya. Pag right on the left side view, nakita mo si left. Front, you see the front. Top, you see the top. Okay? So, ayan. Once you prepare that one, select everything, create a new layer.
So, basically, yung left, nasa right.
Oo. Para pag nasa left side view ka, nakita mo yung left view. Oo. Kasi pag nandito siya, for example, Joey, pag nilagay natin siya dito, no? Okay? Nasa left view tayo. Pag nag-create ako ng object, for example, nag-create ako ng object dito. Okay? Hindi mo makikita. Correct. Kaya ilalagay natin siya sa right side. Right? Yung front, ganun din. Kung nilagay natin siya sa front, hindi makikita yung object sa likod. Kaya dito lagi sa loob. Oo. Pati yung same thing with the top.
Walang finish is yung sa top.
Oo. Yung top, pag nilagay mo naman sa top, hindi mo makikita yung ginawa mo sa ilalim. Same principle. Right? Now you understand? You get it? Okay. Then, select all of this. Create a new layer. That will be your reference. Then freeze it. Then move to you have to you put them in a layer. Or, let's undo that one. Select everything. Object properties. You have to uncheck show frozen in gray and freeze. And that's it. Now you have the reference. Okay? So, watch this again. Create your own create your own reference. Okay? And then, Joey, okay? We'll have a class on Sunday. Okay? But today until you have to practice. Yeah. Okay? Then we'll finish the Barcelona chair on Sunday.
Okay, sir.
All good?
Yung, basically, ang papakita ko sa'yo, if okay na yung spine, will finish the chair.
Yeah.
Yung kutsyon naman.
So, work on the legs, the frame. Do it correctly. Do it good. Okay? And then review. Practice. Every single day. If you have to go back to the wood meat chair, do the wood meat chair again. Okay? So, practice every day, at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes a day. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Before our class, you practice. Before a session. Okay? Pwede ba yon? Can I count on you to do that, Joey?
I'll try my best.
No, don't try. Do. Sabi nga ni Yoda, there's no try, there's only do.
Yun nga eh.
No try, only do. Okay? Good?
Yes, sir. Good.
All right. I'll see you on
Bye.
Sunday. Bye.
Bye, sir.
I'll send you the recording. I fixed the audio, so it should be good.
Okay. Also, your bank details, sir. Pupunta na ako sa bank before 3 p.m.
All right. Okay, I'll send it. I'll send it now.
I don't have online now eh, so I'll deposit
Okay.
manually. Thank you, sir.
Mm-mm.